I thought I would do a little what's in my makeup bag section of the video, because my best friend treated me to some new makeup for my birthday. Which, can you bring me a remote for the TV? It's on the table there. Just had a shower. And Cindy's playroom. No, the actual TV remote, the black one. Oh yeah, thank you. Do you want to play in your playroom?
I don't know. I'm gonna go it.
And we've gone inside it. Does anybody else even just not bother making the bed? This is why I don't make the bed most days. Because she just messes it up. I'm hoping that Charlotte actually wakes up soon, because I'm thinking maybe I want to STAYATHERHOUSE tonight. So I spelt that out, so HUNTER, didn't know what I was talking about. So yeah, I don't normally even wear makeup. Since I've got this makeup offer, I mean, like, she spent like 30 quid, I spent 50, so I've got like £8 worth of new makeup in total, which is a lot for me because all my makeup was expired because of lockdown, and even before then I never really like spent a decent amount on makeup anyway, so a lot of it was like rubbish. Since I've not been going to the gym, I just thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna do my makeup and make myself feel a little bit more put together. Right, so far what I've done, I've cleaned my face in the shower, I've toned with some Aldi toner, and then used a Body Shop lotion with SPF because I think it's going to get a bit sunnier later. And then I've just sprayed this Lasting Fix like setting spray, and then I've used this is one of my old ones, this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and then this is a new one, this is my new concealer in Light Ivory. And then what I do, I mix. If I'm going on a night out, then I just use this, but on like a daily basis I mix these two together. These are both old, this is older than this, so I think, but they seem to work quite well together. So it's just this Beauty Balm in medium, which is a medium fair. One of them is darker than the other, I think this one's a bit darker. And then this is the Maybelline, will you leave that brush? Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. It's got hyaluronic acid and collagen, which I think I need, to be honest, because I'm 25 now. Oh yeah, I don't think I've made a video since my birthday. It's a bit of a rubbish birthday, not gonna lie. But it's fine. Stop rubbing your bum on me. Can you go play in your playroom? So I just put a little bit of each one in a few minutes. Where's my sponge gone, Hunter? Hunter, where have I put my sponge? Where's my pink sponge? No, it's not. Where is it?
It's here.
1 minute. Where? 1 minute. Right, we've got the sponge. And these are just Primark sponges. So I was just saying, I just mix them both together a little bit and then just dot it. And this brush I got when I was in France like a few years ago. It's from Kiko Milano. I'm not sure what kind of brush it is, but it's very condensed, and like the bristles are all really thick and close together, so it just brushes this particular foundation on quite well. So I just quickly brush it on. Over my skin. Like that. And then get my beauty blender thing. What are you doing with the toilet? Don't put anything down the toilet. Oh, he's emptying his potty. Has it gone in the toilet? He's emptying his potty seat, so it's probably pee all over the floor. This is also why I don't usually bother with makeup, because like there's just no. Right, well you can have your crown when I'm ready, because we're gonna get you ready in a minute. Leave my brushes. Go in your playroom, please. Yep. I'm just gonna turn the TV off, because then there's less incentive to be in here. So just give me a break for 1 second. So I'm just going over just to like blend it out a bit. But this sponge is like aching my wrist because it is so tiny. I saw some ginormous Real Techniques ones in Boots. Right, so that's done. Oh, and I also got this free benefit bag. If you get any 3 mini benefit products, you get a free bag worth £5. So that's where I've put like all of my new makeup. So all of my makeup now fits in here, because I've chucked away, apart from my palettes and stuff, I've pretty much chucked away like the rest of my makeup. And I've just put most of my brushes away so they're not in my way. So I've just got this Elf blush brush. Are you okay? And then the Benefit Dandelion. This is what my friend got me. So this is new. So I'm just going to get some of this. It's very, very light. So it's like really natural. Maybe I just need a better brush, but it's quite hard to like get a decent amount on it. Put that everywhere. I think that's enough. Enough. So that's highlighter, and then I also got the mini Hula bronzer. So I'm just going to use this mini travel size Real Techniques brush that I got one Christmas. It was one of the ones that comes in it. What? Yeah? You what? Have you done a poo? What have you put in the toilet?
In the toilet.
Right, okay. Is that on the floor?
No.
Good.
What's that, Molly?
I'm just putting a bit of makeup on. Is that okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna take your makeup in your bathroom, okay?
No, don't take anything into the bathroom. Oh, no, Sam's ringing me. Right, so Sam just rang me to tell me that he's not got a razor, which is an issue because he needs to shave off his beard that he's like got over the past month or however long he's been off for his job. So right, so I think this was from like Home Bargains, and I just used this to like blend out the bronzer. And then I am going to forget what I'm thinking because of the sound of that. Right. I thought I'd lost a brush then.
I lost my teeth.
Alright, well we need to put some toothpaste on them, don't we? Mummy needs to do them. Next I'm going to use this old Barry M Brow Kit. As you can see, it's a bit manky, so I think this is probably the next thing that I'll be replacing. And I'm going to use this MAC 208 brush, which I got when I was 17 years old and I'm 25 now, so it's done me well. And I've always used this for my eyebrows because I just feel very comfortable using this brush. I think it was £16. See the difference already? What are you saying, Hunter?
And me too.
And you too? And you what too?
That's funny.
Is it?
With a toothbrush.
Hunter's got a toothbrush. So I just do that, and then that's with the pomade, and then just get a tiny bit of the powder and just go over like the outer. This video is like probably longer. I was going to put this in today's vlog, but I might actually upload this first and then save the vlog for another day because I'm a bit behind on recording. Right, so that's done. And then I'm going to use just this eyeshadow brush, and with the pale colour on the end, just get some of that. Ah! Right, stop touching everything. I honestly don't know how people can get ready every day, like doing like full glam makeup when they've got children. I don't understand, because I can barely function like just doing this as quick as I can. There we go. No, don't put it on your toothbrush, it's dirty. Stop it. Right, if you don't stop it, then you need to go out of my bedroom. Right, next thing I'm going to use is this Gimme Brow by Benefit, and this is another one that was new that my friend suggested because she uses this. I've had the similar one by Elf before that was like a lot cheaper, but I needed a new one because that ran out. And that's the eyebrows.
Move the body.
Move your body. Next thing I've got is this L'Oreal Paris Perfect Slim, and normally I would also use that for the outer edges, but I use that one if I've done an eyeshadow look that's like covering my whole eye. Right, I'm just going to do something now that requires concentration. So can you just go in your playroom for 2 minutes while I put this on? Right, you can't be on my back whilst I'm doing this. Okay? Please can you get off the bed whilst I'm doing it? I need absolute like no movement at all. Okay? Why don't you go put your toothbrush back in the bathroom? So this is just a felt tip. to do a line on that eye. And a line on that eye, but I've got a bit of a lump in my eye. Right, and then I'm just gonna quickly wing. And then that's one done. That one. And then that's my eyeliner done. I'm just gonna let that dry, so I'll let that dry. I'm gonna do my lips because I've already brushed my teeth. So I've got this NYX Suede matte lip liner. I actually had this in like a purple one from when I went to Canada. I've just recently chucked it away though because it was a bit manky. And this one is Stockholm, which is the same as like the lip cream. I think it might be a bit light for me. I do like it, but I think I'd prefer something a bit darker. So
the farmer's tractor, Mummy.
I normally line as well just to even out my face because my face is a bit lumpy. And then colour it in. I've got really dry lips because I keep losing my lip balm. And I need to get a pencil sharpener for this. That needs sharpening before I use that again. And then that's done. So then I'm just going to get the soft matte lip cream. Also got this Studio London Super Drug lipstick, and I got this off the makeup artist that I got my makeup done by recently, and I don't know why I bothered because I never like it when anybody else does my makeup, but she gave me this anyway. off all your teeth. And that's that. I don't even know if you can buy that anywhere, but that's that. And then I've just got this Avon eyelash curler. I'm just going to quickly curl my eyelashes. And then I got this mascara from B&M like a few months ago. It is the W7 Massive Lashes. And that's the brush. And it was a few pounds. It didn't cost a lot, so.
Are you ready? I'm going up. Are you ready, Mommy?
Yeah, I'm ready. So I'm just gonna spray.
I'm going to open some fish.
Right, and that is my like quick
Toothpaste.
makeup look. It would be a lot quicker with sneeze.
Toothpaste.
Oh yeah, I brushed my teeth already. It would be a lot quicker with no interruptions, but that's just like everything that's in my iPhone. So that's everything that's in my makeup bag.
Toothbrush.
Just trying to get a thumbnail.
Toothbrush. It's a toothbrush. Toothbrush.
Don't come and say bye.
Yeah.
Right, now you've got my toothbrush.
Bye.
Say like.
Right, guys.
Say like and subscribe.
That's funny.
Say like and subscribe.
I can describe. That's funny.
Right, bye.